And we're on video. Here's Joe hooked up to a tarpon, a hard-fought tarpon. Woo, yeah, there we go. Nice. I'm gonna take a bit of an angle at him. Let me know if he's. Oh, whoa, yes, woo. Let me know if I'm going too fast for you. That's it. You're doing great. We're just slowly going after him. He's still running away? Holy shit. I'm gonna speed up a little bit. Let me know if I go too fast. It's in the boat, don't worry about it. That's it. Yeah, that was beautiful, wasn't it? Ooh, there he is. Still getting line back? Good. Just let me know if I get going too fast. I'm just trying to get you back to the fly line. Keep a little bend in that rod. There you go. That way if he surges, you'll be all right. All right, see the fly line. We're about 100 feet from the fly line. Whoop. Guess he has other plans. Go in neutral for a second. All right, go back and forward. Woo, there he goes. Yeah. Yeah, I know, it's a little different. I didn't get the best look at him, but he looked about 125 maybe. All right, I'm gonna put you in neutral and you can just start beating them up. All right, we're just in neutral. I'm gonna let you beat them up a little bit here. Woo, yeah, there you go. That rod down, he's coming at you. There you go. Nice. That's it. Beat that sucker up. So, worth the effort? There you go, back him up. Perfect. Nice. Oh, yeah. So beautiful. Nicely done. There you go. Change that angle. Perfect.